In this video, I'm going to show you how to run your Facebook and Instagram ads during COVID-19 to drive sales, leads and subscribers. I'm Mark Thompson, the shop owner of EasyTune, the place where small businesses and startups turn for affordable and effective growth on social. So, the COVID-19 outbreak is having a significant impact on daily business and consumer behaviour. And as a result, these are the times when small business owners need to find opportunities that will help them build personalised and lasting relationships with their audiences from a safe distance. Unprecedented times call for adjustments to your online advertising. So here are 5 steps for running Facebook and Instagram ads effectively during the pandemic. Step 1, stay consistent and extend your high-performing ads. Facebook recently warned advertisers that due to recent staffing changes, there are going to be some delays and errors as they increase their reliance on automated systems to review new ads and commerce listings. This means that when new ads are submitted or edited, like changing the copy, headlines, images, audience targeting, it will cause the ad to undergo a new review policy. So to avoid disruption on your ad, Facebook's Director of Product Management recommends that brands extend the delivery period of their best performing ads, as new campaigns will be subject to a new review. Step 2, focus on remarketing campaigns. So according to Brilliance, over 75% of shoppers will abandon your site without completing their purchase. So with increased browsing, now's a good time to re-engage with previous website visitors and get them back to your site with an incentive like free shipping and special promos. In addition to website visitors, you can also drive new potential leads and sales by testing engagement custom audiences, which allow you to target users who have engaged with your content across Facebook and Instagram. So this includes remarketing to those who have liked or commented or shared or interacted with your Facebook and Instagram business pages, or watched your videos or viewed or filled out a lead form. Remember, the more relevant you can get, the better the engagement you will see. So segment your audience as much as possible. Step 3, find new leads and build your email marketing list with Facebook lead ads. The chances are you send emails to keep your audiences engaged and up to date via newsletters. If your business is slow or closed right now, this could be a great time to shift your strategy to collecting new leads and emails in place of promoting sales. With a Facebook lead ad campaign, you have the opportunity to increase leads and sign-ups for email newsletter campaigns. You can also create an audience to remarket at in the future. A few things to note: when creating your lead gen form, less is more. Consumers are more likely to opt out with the more information you ask for them. So best practice is to leave 2 fields, such as name and email address. Then integrate that with your CRM and set up your welcome newsletter to ensure that you immediately follow up with them with content related to your advertising campaign. Step 4, test new creative and audiences. If your business has slowed or closed, now might be the best time to test out a new creative or a variety of audiences to gather information that will make your future campaigns more effective. When testing new audiences, consider creating a new ad set rather than updating an existing one so that you can better understand the true impact. For a new ad creative, you'll want to test against an already high-performing ad. This way you can compare the results directly to an ad that you know performs well for your specific business, sort of saving you time when analysing results in the future. Pro tip, you'll only ever want to test out one element at a time for a more accurate analysis. So for example, if you want to test out a new image, don't make any changes to the headlines or copy. Give it a couple of days and monitor the performance. Here are a few things you can try testing over this period. For example, audiences, demographics, interest-based, custom audiences, ad copy, headlines, call to actions, lead pages, including copy and design, images, videos, there's a bunch. Step 5, try Facebook and Instagram Live. For local businesses who are hurting more than ever before, I suggest you think about how you can shift your business strategy to offer your products or services online. Getting online and in touch with your customers and prospects on Facebook and Instagram Live can still really help. With a live video, you can connect with your audience in a more direct and genuine way. Plus, we know that effective video marketing can result in higher conversions. Facebook and Instagram Live videos receive 3 times higher engagement than pre-recorded videos. So try answering questions in real time, offer online check-ins, webinars, demos. To execute a successful live event, make sure your broadcast is as clear and high resolution as possible. Try practicing beforehand, obviously, but don't stress too much. The point of a live stream is to provide a real and genuine reflection of your brand. Overall, there's a positive and empathetic angle your business can take to become creative in a world of social distancing. So use this opportunity to get creative, explore new ways of expanding your reach via Facebook and Instagram. Quick thank you to the NHS. We're all super grateful for all your hard work. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel now. It's the best way you can support these free marketing videos.